Okay, go ahead, Andrew.
Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
Hi, Andrew. This is David Blowman. It's nice to talk to you again.
And this is Mieczkowski. I'm the Director of Special Ed for the state, and I have not met you yet, but I'm looking forward to it.
Same here. Likewise. It's very nice to see you again, too, Mr. Blowman, or to talk to you again.
Andrew, we also have another guest with us today.
Hi, Andrew. My name is Hickey. I'm Deputy Attorney General, and I represent the Delaware Department of Education.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing very fine today.
Good. So, Andrew, you have a few things you want to tell us about your education?
Yes, ma'am. I have a list of things, actually.
Okay.
First off, I'm actually wondering about Dover, about the stay put option that you have.
Okay.
It's the option where it allows me to go where if I'm not in school right now, then the school that I apply to, it allows me to go to that school until the due process hearing takes place.
I'm not sure that is totally correct. You do have a stay put option. Are you registered in a school district right now?
No, ma'am.
You're not registered in Smyrna?
Yes, I am, but I've choice to Dover High School.
Right, I understand that. When your mother filed an administrative complaint and a due process, there is a stay put provision that would be enacted because, and I believe this is what has happened. I'm learning more and more about your situation. You used to be in Smyrna School District.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you moved, correct?
Yes.
And then you moved back.
Yes.
When did you move back?
We moved back in about the beginning of June.
Okay, so you didn't attend school in Smyrna School District when you moved back, correct?
No, ma'am.
Okay, did you register in the Smyrna School District in June?
No, we didn't.
So then, I guess my next question is, are you registered in a school district?
No, I am not.
Okay. So then I have a question about where your stay put would be. Because usually it's where the student attended school. But since you moved, there's a gap in your education in Delaware. So I would have to do some more research of where your stay put options would be. I'm going to do further research, and I'm going to ask our Deputy Attorney General to help us in this research, because as far as I have been looking, it would be where you attended when the due process is filed. However, you haven't attended Smyrna, so we have a little issue there. As I have done a little bit of reading before we got on this telephone call, the hearing officer may be involved in determining that, but I have to be 100% sure about that before I can say definitely to you where the stay put would be. It's a little confusing since you have moved out of the state and then moved back into the state.
Okay.
So I apologize that I cannot give you an answer right this minute.
No, it's fine, but I actually just want to make just one thing clear about my options about stay put. About the stay put option.
Okay, and what do you want to make clear?
I would not like to go back to Smyrna.
I got that impression from your mother. Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. I just want to make that clear right now while I still can.
Okay.
While I still have the opportunity.
And I thank you for saying that. I just, as I said a few minutes ago, I cannot give you that answer right now because I am not. It's very. It's unclear to me since you moved out of state and you've moved back in and you are registered, not registered in Smyrna School District. I guess I'm having a difficult time understanding how you filled out a choice application if you weren't registered.
Oh, we registered with Smyrna School District.
Okay. Okay, that answers that.
Oh, okay. All right. Hello?
Yes. I'm taking notes down.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay. Do you have anything else?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Actually, wait, am I allowed to state the reasons why I would not like to go back to Smyrna, or is that not possible?
Well, this is a conversation between us, and you can tell me anything you want.
Oh, okay. I actually refuse to go back to Smyrna because of the bullying I've experienced over there.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and speak a little closer to the phone? I'm having a difficult time hearing you.
Oh, you can't hear me?
Now I can.
Okay, all right.
It has to be. You have to get a little closer to the phone.
Okay, all right.
Okay. So the reason why you don't want to go back is why?
Because of bullying.
Okay. I'm sorry that you have experienced that when you went to Smyrna before.
It's fine. It's fine.
Pardon me?
It's fine, you know.
Okay.
It's all good.
Is there anything else?
Aside from Mr. Shana, the school hasn't even remotely tried to give me a fair and equitable education while I was over there.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything else?
Oh, also, when my mother and I came to the administration about my being bullied, they actually failed to report the incident as what it was.
Okay. And can you tell me which administration that was?
It was the Smyrna School District.
Okay. And you went to Smyrna High, right?
Yes, ma'am. At
Okay.
one point, yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Also, I feel that some of the teachers are also racist.
Okay.
And that's about it.
Okay, thank you. Now, did your mom have any other questions?
Mom, do you have any?
Also, let them know that the Smyrna School District's lawyer threatened me with a letter when I tried to report the bullying, telling me he was going to have me arrested by the police.
Speaking to the phone.
Marianne, did you hear me?
No, I did not. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. When I attempted to report the bullying to the superintendent of the Smyrna School District and the principal, I got a letter from the district's attorney threatening to have me or report me to the police for, I guess, putting fear in the school for trying to report the bullying.
Okay.
And at that point, I was ordered by a family court judge not to leave the state of Delaware, but we fled at that point, and that's when we left and went to Vancouver, Washington, to try to get him a better education out there.
And when was this?
This was last September after we wrote the letter to Mark Murphy, the Secretary of Education, about the bullying, and he ignored my son's letter. He never responded to my son's letter. So we fled and we left the state after that.
Okay. Now, are there any issues you want to talk about with the administrative complaint or the due process?
Nope, we're going to wait until we talk to the hearing officer.
Okay.
Mrs. King, this is David.
He can direct his questions
Has
to
there
you. I don't
been
want to
any
talk to him.
further communication from the Capital School District since they rejected the choice application?
Excuse me?
Has there been any further communication from the Capital School District?
Let him know that we
since they
constantly get
rejected the
emails.
choice application?
Yes.
We're
Yes.
constantly getting emails about band
We're-
events and
We're
parents and
yeah,
meetings.
we're constantly getting emails,
And alerts.
from the from the school about band events and conferences, emails,
Okay, thank you.
But nothing from the school district itself?
No.
Okay. Okay. Well, Mrs. King, is there anything else that you would like to talk about?
She said no.
Okay. Is there anything else you'd like to talk about, Andrew?
No, I feel I've made myself clear.
Okay. Well, I'm very happy to have met you through the phone.
Likewise.
I'm very happy to hear that you're very engaged in your education.
Yes, ma'am. I feel that my education is of utmost importance to me, and I would like
That's
to
good.
graduate high school these next 2 years, and I will work hard to get myself an
I'm
education.
very proud of that. Very proud of that.
Yes, ma'am.
And I look forward to meeting you in person.
Also, likewise.
Okay. Is there anything, David, that you would, or Gary, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I know I have identified a investigator for the administrative complaint, and we have appointed a panel for the due process.
Okay.
Are you being represented?
Not at this time. No.
Okay. So
We're still
you
looking.
and your mom will be representing yourself?
We're still looking, but if need be, yes, we will.
Okay. Yeah, I would encourage you and your mom to read your procedural safeguard.